Universal at 100%?
Hello from Universal Orlando Resort.
Hello guys, we are Echo Travel Adventures.
My name's Amber.
My name is Brian, and we do a lot of different videos of the theme parks, but we try to sprinkle in some travel videos, and we're trying to travel a lot more, but we'll see what happens over the next year. COVID kicked our butt.
Oh yeah, so we're trying to do different things, open ourselves up to new experiences. This is all for you.
Yes.
We want to show all of you the best there is out there and other things than theme parks maybe. Yeah. Or if they like theme parks, hello.
So we just heard a rumor that Universal Studios here in Orlando just went to 100%. Masks are only for those who are vaccinated indoors.
Fully vaccinated.
Or not vaccinated indoors.
Yes.
Sorry.
So if you're fully vaccinated, you do not need a mask.
No.
But you do know the risk when you are coming.
Yeah. So we just want to see what it is. It is a Saturday. It's a little rainy, so that's why we're doing this inside instead of outside. Yes. But we will try to see what we can find out for you as far as how busy it is, how long the ride lines are, and all that
just see the new things on a Saturday. We haven't been for a long time.
If you want to support us, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. We try to post Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we're going to try to open it up more as things kind of open up here for us to do.
Yeah.
But don't forget to hit the like button, hit that comment, and what else? I think that's it. We're about to go ride Velocicoaster, so God, please,
I am so excited.
Pray for me. I'm scared.
Which way, Where are we going?
The scariest ride in the park.
You ready?
No.
You excited?
No.
So we are second time.
The first time was rough already.
Was it?
Maybe I'm too fat to ride it.
Whatever. By Velocicoaster. We're wasting some time.
And tell me, are you a carnivore or a herbivore? Are you fast
carnivore?
Rest of it, are you large or small? And finally, are you solo? Good. With this information, we can begin searching for your ideal dino DNA donor. But now, check out the panel below me for step 2, your brain scan. See the yellow outline below me that kind of looks like your head? Bring your face all the way down until your eyes and mouth line up with the green outlines inside the dark oval. Then, hold down the flashing button, stay really still, and think really hard till I say Uncle. Ready? Here goes. Uncle. Good going. Your brain scan is registered clear and strong.
I have a brain.
With this new information, we can now locate your ideal dino DNA donor. And there he is. Your physical and mental profile makes you perfectly compatible with this big, strong pack hunter. So now the only thing left to do is step 3, where we'll actually sample your DNA. So, turning to your right, place your right hand on the blue handbrake, where a microscopic quantity of your genes will be painlessly captured. Good work. We captured a real fine reading that time. So now, let's take a look at what you're made of. Wow, check out all those numbers. What you see zipping before you is your very own genetic code on its way to being recombined with your receptor dinosaur. Imagine awaiting the first glimpse of an entirely new species, bridging a span of over 100 million years. This is it.
Oh my god.
That is horrible.
That's hilarious.
But unfortunately, your good looks aren't one of them.
What do you think of your dinosaur?
He said my looks aren't good enough.
I think we better stop right here before your creation turns any more unstable. So long.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yes, we're recording.
Da oh no, watch out, there's a shark in the water. Swim faster, oh no, swim faster. Ah! Fish swam, choo, choo. Jump, jump.
We normally don't drink, but we had to get in there. We had to.
Like it, don't you?
I'm not a big cacao person.
How do you say it?
Cacao.
I like it.
Bon appetit. All right, we're going to see what is new here. We're so excited. Ooh. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Jurassic World.
Jurassic World. That's so cool. It's a stormy day, so all the rides outside are closed. There's a backpack. Dino cuties. This, we didn't eat this on camera, but this is really good. It actually does taste like blue raspberry. We'll come back around.
$225
For the
all of them.
for the guys. That's crazy. They don't have any UOP shirts.
UOP anymore?
Nope. So, like we said last time, they do have phone cases that you can get. This was pretty busy. So, Amber has a... They don't even have her phone. I know they're not going to have mine. But let's just pretend we have a 11 Pro. Ooh. Those are cool. Yeah. But they don't have your phone case. These are cool. Whoa. This one I think is going to be my favorite. Anyway. 11. Oh yeah, they have 12 right here.
And Pro Max. But I want that. Oh, but it has like, does it have the funky?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't want it.
Yes. And like last time, we have blue, built for speed and annihilation. They have this thing.
It's 25.
Matches the case that Amber wants. And look at this. It's really cool.
It's 25.
And it's $25.
I don't like the top.
They got the...
top.
I know. Alright, so at home, these right here, they're not great, so I take it off. I take underneath it, you can actually take them off, so that's what I do. But they have a koozie. That's pretty cute. Another raptor. And matching with the same design, they have a wine cup. Almost like a Yeti. Alright, we're going into the hallway. We're going to go into the visitor center. 10,000 watts. Volts, I'm sorry. Just kidding. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, they are fossils. Huh. I probably did. So, in here, doesn't look like anything's changed. Oh my god, a throwback to the barber saw. Okay, anyone who wants to come here and hang out with Amber, just keep in mind that you have to keep your head on a swivel. It's ridiculous. Look at this, the shirt.
I ran over here.
It's pretty cool.
I thought you would like it.
Yeah, but I'm not in the... I like my camel one. Is it like the old school one with the thermos in it too?
No, it's not thermos in it. It's just this.
Oh.
You can see it better.
Hashtag.
It's hashtag panda. It's hashtag panda. How cute. Hi.
Do the hashtag. Do the hashtag.
Do the hashtag?
No,
Do
he's-
the hashtag. How cute.
Alright guys, so this is a Saturday.
It's
Like-
at full capacity.
Yeah, they are doing 100% capacity here at Universal.
No mask if you're vaccinated.
No
Fully-
mask if you're vaccinated.
Fully vaccinated.
And this is how crazy it is. A ton of flipping people.
It's 3:15.
And it is, yeah, Amber
But
said.
also, if you're pass holder, like we get express starting at 4. So I bet you a lot of people are here for that too, because the park closes at 9 today.
Yeah, but there's a ton of people.
Oh, Monsters Cafe is open.
We're gonna go eat lunch.
Oh, they have icy over
Oh,
here.
that's exciting.
We've been wanting to eat here so bad.
And there's no reservations, so you just go in like the old days.
Monsters
The
Cafe.
olden days.
Here we come.
Guys, there's no more line. Well, reservations. Here's what they have.
The mac and cheese and fries.
So we're in the swamp room. We usually hang out on the other side, the crypt side. But we're in Monsters Cafe.
So we are in the swamp, and actually a throwback real quick. First time we ever ate here,
On the other side,
on the other
the
side,
crypt room.
in the crypt, we met Michael and Jessica from Grim and Life Collective,
That was a couple years ago.
and they left us for California.
That's okay.
Okay, but anyway, so we're moving on.
We miss them.
We do. I got the ribs and chicken with almost mashed taters, mac and
Mashed
cheese,
taters.
and fries. And Miss Amber got the half chicken, same sides.
The only thing is they don't have a lot to choose from here. For the
No.
sides, you can choose from these two, or they had cauliflower,
Yeah.
and they only had chicken and ribs, right?
Yes. So
And
no
the sides
brisket
is
anymore.
like they had like cornbread, they had a side salad, and then they had like a cup of pineapple.
Right.
So not much to choose from.
No, but we're excited. We're going to chow down and admire the swamp, even though Florida is practically a swamp. Anyway, so the ribs, decent, a little dry. Chicken
Chicken got dry.
got dry quick, but it was pretty moist when we started eating it. The ribs again have the silver skin, so that's kind of a drag. The mac and cheese, no.
It stayed out way too long. It's just no flavor. Like it's
And then the fries were not seasoned. I'm not complaining. It was just
it's okay.
they just reopened, so I think that's part of it. But sorry to stare at Amber's plate, but we will go ride some rides, I think. So we're just sitting there walking, and boom, Halloween Horror Nights 2021, the official HHN 30 preview merch. Ooh.
Jack's back.
Jack is back. I don't know who Jack is, but he's the clown, and he's going to scare the crap out of me.
And Thomas and Five and Dime.
I guess it's over here in the Five and Dine place, right there at the exit of Porn Spectacular and Halloween Horror Night, or Halloween Show. And then everything else is the same. Guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. I'm scared. So that's it. Just a t-shirt. Just a t-shirt. But he's back, and he wants everyone to know that he's back. Dun dun dun. Well, we're done, and 100%, guys. I believe it. I 100% believe we are at 100% capacity here at Universal.
Yeah.
Ooh. I know we get like maybe half a minute of walking through the park where there's some people. Islands of Adventure was way worse.
Well, Hagrids was like 120-minute wait. Velocicoaster was like 70, 90, yeah. So, I mean, that kind of tells you a little bit. We always check the wait times before we come. Of course, it's not accurate.
No. King Kong was 140 minutes, I think, at one point.
Yeah.
But that was right when the rain happened, so.
Yeah, a lot of the indoors.
But we made it. We made it. I survived Velocicoaster. Amber's
every time we took like 5 steps, my heart rate's this, Amber. My heart rate.
For all those who have devices on their arms when they ride this roller coaster, comment down below what your heart rate is before you get on it. Mine was 138. If you can beat 138, good job, you win.
So what's your favorite ride besides, so like, do you like Velocicoaster or do you like Hagrids? Leave a comment and let us know. I really like Velocicoaster. Hagrids is still pretty good, but it's
Hagrids
like
is better.
Velocicoaster is a little bit higher.
No, Velocicoaster is... No, Hagrids is amazing. We rode it, and I was so happy that we rode it.
We haven't rode that in a long time because every time we did come early, it would rain or it was closed. So
yeah, technical issues or whatever. And then we were open right when we got back to the car or whatever.
We're so happy to be back though to Universal. I did miss it.
Yeah, for sure. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Again, we are EPCOT Adventures. We are a travel channel. Mostly right now we are doing a lot of things with the theme parks and stuff, but we are trying to mix in some more travel type videos for you guys.
Please stay active with your other fan band members. Keep those comments coming. We love seeing them. We'll respond to them whenever we can. Hopefully it doesn't take us a while.
Right.
We're trying.
Right. And then Instagram, we're very active on Instagram.
And TikTok.
Yeah. And we're really excited to give you guys a video. We went to the Titanic Museum, so we're really excited about that video coming soon to you.
Yeah.
But guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.